Okay, IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions and you got to reply. What places do you think are often crowded?
There are many places like crowded,
Which
uh,
are crowded?
which are crowded like restaurants, malls, mosque, Eidgah, and especially,
Eidgah is not English word, so avoid that.
sir, but synonym in English not available.
No, you don't need to use it then.
Okay,
Okay, yes. So you can just say mosque. We offer the prayers in the mosque. You can use the word central mosque for
okay.
Eidgah. That's fine. Okay, now listen. What you're doing, I said, what places do you think are often crowded? And you named the places. It's a good idea to say, first of all, restaurants are often crowded with people because people love to eat out. So therefore, we can see crowds of people in the restaurant. Secondly, religious places like mosques, especially if there is a central mosque in the area, so such type of places are often crowded. That's enough. But if you say restaurants, mosques, this is not proper to answer. Use proper sentences and use signpost. What is signpost? First of all, secondly, finally, and all that. Now let's go on. When was the last time you went to a crowded place?
Lastly, I visited the railway station of Lahore Junction. That was very crowdy and
That was very crowded.
crowded, and it's annoying for me.
It was annoying for me.
It was annoying for me, and I don't like.
I
Vis-
didn't like past tense. I didn't like.
uh, I didn't like to visit crowded place. So many time I visited, but in the situation of many necessity. Otherwise,
Okay.
I did
So
not like
yeah,
to visit.
now you're going away from the question. Simply say to answer your question, I visited Lahore railway station and I found it very crowded. Like that. Okay. How do you feel when you are in a crowded place?
I feel there is a very noisy and too much rush there.
Listen, now this is not your feeling. You're explaining the situation. Now you will talk about your reaction to the situation. So, for example, how do you feel when you are in a crowded place? I find myself into an anxiety when I'm in a crowded place because I don't like anxiety, or you can say I
Okay.
feel bad, I feel lethargic, or anything like that. So, how do you feel when you are in a crowded place?
I feel uh, I feel very
Upset. I
upset
feel upset. I feel sad. I feel bad. I feel nausea. Anything, whatever you
because
want.
of their rush and because of their queues. There was too much crowded, so that's I feel very bad experience of.
Yeah, I feel very bad whenever I go to any crowded place. I feel great deal of anxiety whenever I am in a crowded place, right? Okay, that's fine. Let's go on. I'm going to ask you some questions about sharing. So, did you share anything with others recently? Or let me change the question. I'm going to convert it into present. Like, do you like sharing?
Yes, I like sharing. Recently, I share my
I
bike.
shared.
I shared my bike with my friend because my friend's bike have gone for repairing.
My friend's bike had gone
Had
for
gone for
repairing,
repairing.
for repairs.
So he have to gone.
He had to go.
He had to go for college. So
He
I
had to go to
to
college.
college.
I lent him
I
my
lent him
bike.
my bike to my friend.
Okay, so to answer your question, yes, I love sharing.
Yes,
Okay, let's go on. Did your parents teach you to share things when you were a child?
yes. My parents advised me
Advised me.
to share things with friends, and they advised me to help poor peoples.
Okay. What kind of things do you like to share with others?
So I like things to share with my friends. I have a cricket kit which I go to cricket
Which I share
with
with my
my
other
friends,
friends.
and I gave my friends my bags
I
also
give my bats to my
to
friends.
friends.
Okay, so you can talk about a variety of things. Like
Yes, sir.
first of all, I have a cricket kit. So
जी
whenever I go to play cricket, I share that kit with my friends.
जी
They
सर
can take anything from the kit, whether it is bat or ball or whatever.
जी सर
Secondly, I also like to share my books
जी
if anyone is in need. So just talk like first of all, secondly,
जी
then your answer will be fine. Let's go on. What kind of things are not suitable for sharing?
Yes, some things are not suitable to sharing,
For
like
sharing.
for sharing, like cell phone,
Cell
our personal
phones,
cell
yeah,
phones,
yeah,
and our clothes,
yeah.
and some other personal talks are not suitable to sharing with
To
friends.
share with
To share
friends.
with friends.
Okay, that's good. All right, that's fine.
Yes,
Overall, it's good. Just focus your sentence
yes,
structure and try to speak more.
yes,
Connect your ideas. You'll be fine. Right? Thank
yes.
you.